Hey guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya, guys, and we are together. And Rahul is doing something.
Yeah, hello
Take your
guys.
mic and just welcome back. See, just welcome back to our channel like this.
Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel.
Because today we are so much happy.
Hmm.
Actually, I am very happy because I upload one status and a story for him,
Hmm.
and the song which I used was Bhojpuri song, one
What
trending
was the
song,
name?
trending song like पिया जी के रोज रोज लीले हम रोज रोज लीले हम तबलैया पिया जी के and the singer is I think Swasti. I don't know her name, but she's little bit trending.
Hmm.
Yes. So guys, today I am not tired.
Sorry for interrupting, but I want to tell you that
Hmm.
we don't have the color of trouser which
Hmm.
you are going to pack tomorrow.
Okay, so you're
So
canceling it.
no, I'm not canceling it. Just pack another one.
Okay.
Means its color is khaki,
Okay. Okay.
but we have another color also,
Hmm.
like brown, I think.
Okay.
If we don't have brown, so pack another one.
Hmm.
We have three colors,
So what
So
will happen if they will return it? Okay.
if I will not dispatch, I will have to pay penalty also.
Okay. Okay. So guys, let's see what will happen. Actually, we are sealer and we are receiver also. We receive online means online product like my sister-in-law has sent so many lot of things like cup and rakhi and dresses for us. So we are receiver also. We are sealer also.
Yeah, we are
Today,
online.
today I have ordered fruits from Zapto, and it came at the door.
Hmm.
Yes, you treat me like I don't know anything. You
No,
think
no, I
like
didn't say.
you think
Did I
that
ask? Did I ask you that? Do you are you facing any kind of problem?
no,
Because I believe on you.
really.
I didn't say
It
anything.
came and I take money from mom,
Hmm.
and then he gave me the fruits, and fruits was very
Fresh.
in good quality,
Hmm.
fresh.
But
Hmm.
I heard that 184 rupees.
Hmm. 85.
85. So how much money did you give him?
185.
200. 185.
Yes.
You had change.
No, prepaid
Okay, okay. So you have taken
from
from.
mom.
That's
So guys, you know, I was feeling very good today. Means I can order. And Advik was also saying to me, Chachi, what he has given. Chachi, what is inside this bag?
Hmm.
Chachi, mila hai? I said, yes, it's your. Then he took two pear, bubu gusa, and he was saying, Chachi, khana hai.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So did you not tell? Were they expensive?
Little bit.
What was the cost? Means
Nine,
how many
nine, nine,
fruits?
two fruits, papaya and babu gusa.
Okay.
900 gram and 84 rupees, I think, maybe.
Hmm.
And because I
So
don't
what
know,
mom was saying, did you not tell her before that this is the price?
I told her.
So she
She was
agreed.
saying, yes, she was saying that don't order apple because that was so expensive.
Hmm.
She said, okay, papaya and babu gosa.
Hmm.
Hmm. So guys, one sari I want to order for mom for teach, but we are thinking that means mom is thinking that sari will be not in good quality, and that is cost 800 from Instagram page. and many, yes, well, many means like many influencer are purchasing that sari.
Hmm.
So I also like that sari to purchase, but I don't know why. I mean, in the morning I was so much crazy about that sari. I was about to order. I said to her, she called me. Means yes, the seller called me that why you are not.
Purchasing it.
Yes, I said that, "Oh, I will purchase it later. Means I will think it later." So she said okay.
There is no any option for return.
No, she was saying return policy.
They say, but
Hmm.
no, it happened. Did you forget
Yes,
that
yes,
about the Surek?
yes. So guys, she was saying that delivery boy will be our, means we will send our delivery boy.
Hmm.
So you can, if you don't like the sari, you can return and he will pay you back. So guys, what were you doing? What are you doing?
You know what? Uh, I have downloaded the label. Okay,
Okay.
but if I will forget to ship,
Hmm.
there is only MTS.
Okay.
So mark as a
Hmm.
tagged.
Okay.
If I will not click that one,
Hmm.
so they will not come to pick up. That is why I'm just
Trying.
looking. Yeah, but my net is not working.
But your net is working in YouTube. You can watch the video. See?
Hmm.
Yes, I have watched one video. Your
But
net
what
is
is the
working.
benefit of this? I just want this.
Hmm. You know, guys, I have 5G phone and the net is so much fast, but the network is not in my room. If I will go outside, like on the roof, it will connect very good. Means 17-minute video I uploaded in, means 1 or 2 minutes. I came out to
Hmm.
meet you and that video was uploaded. So see, in means I think it took only 5 to 6 minutes, not 1 to 2 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes
Hmm.
uploaded video, 17 minutes video
Yeah, you have unlimited, but we don't have 5G net
in this room.
in our yeah, in this room.
Hmm. If we will leave means
Upstairs, yeah,
on the third
then
floor, I will
it
get.
will.
Yes. Hmm.
How was your day?
Guys, I want to say you something. I to you also that my pimples are coming. Okay, so I was thinking that why my pimples are coming, like means it is coming and it is going out, but the stain or spot are means
Remaining.
remaining. I asked to chat GPT.
Hmm.
That what is happening nowadays. My acne is coming. Okay, I'm feeling acne problems from I think 1 month. Is it
Hmm.
from 15 days or 1 month? So what is the reason? So she was saying that what is your meal? So I told all the meal. Okay. Then she was saying that when do you take rest? I said that at 12 p.m. and I get up at 6 or sometimes at 7:30.
Hmm.
She said, okay, your sleeping hours is also very good. So don't means one thing she was saying that drink water after boiling, but I said I drink what we can say RO water. Yeah, I
Filter
drink
water.
filter water. She said okay, that is no problem. So where, so she was saying that are you following some are you taking some medicine? So I said no, I am not taking medicine, but I was using that cream which is prescribed by doctor for my pimple. Okay, she was saying that okay, that is also good. So means lot of things she was asking. Then I thought I am doing new thing from 15 or 20 days.
But
I am applying coconut oil on my hair, but means before this I was not so much caring about my hair. Is it Rahul? You are, if you know very well about me. So I said that ki so means to chat GPT that from means 1 month I am just applying hair oil, coconut oil for a week sometimes.
Hmm.
I just apply here on Monday and I washed it on Saturday or Friday.
Hmm.
So is it good or bad? She said bad. Yes, yes, she said bad. And she was saying that is the reason you are getting pimples in your face. She said the oil we should not apply whole the week or for 2 days or 3 days. 2 days is enough. But if your is skin is oily already, okay, if you're an oily skin type person, so if you will apply scalp, if you will apply oil in your scalp, suppose this is a scalp, so at night it goes in your pillow, and the face you put on your pillow, so the oil
It will
comes.
come out, yeah.
Yes, the oil just surround on your face. They were saying that have you noticed when we put oil on something, so it is spread in a cloth, or it is spread slowly. So it happens with us also when we apply scalp in this area. So it comes in this area in the night or after 6 to 8 hours later. So it is happening in the night with you, that if you are applying oil for a night, so the oil is coming on your face and it is generating pimple. So if I suggest you that please, for a week, for a 2 week or 3 week, just apply uh, hair oil on a Saturday only if you want, on a Saturday, and just wash it on Sunday. Okay. And if you're applying oil, so it is very important to means don't apply too much. Okay. So I apply too much, you know very well, is it?
Yes.
So don't apply too much, and on Sunday it is must remember that you have to wash it.
Okay.
So now I'm also thinking that yes,
This
because
is
of
the
the
reason.
reason, yes, Rahul. Because and he was saying, I was saying that, but my oil can come here and here, but that why it is coming from here? He was saying that from this side.
That was also my question. If your oil is coming here, so why are you not getting pimples?
I said that
Yeah.
because I was saying that if this is the reason, so why my means it
I'm
is
not
not coming.
getting pimples all
On the
over my
yes
face.
face, but on this he was saying that first it comes from head, because when we apply oil, we miss the Indian lady usually apply the area on upper side of the face, and at the night when we sleep, so it comes like this, and it goes to the this
So
part of the
don't you take
this part of the skin, and you know very well the sweating comes here, so it is the best combination for pimple. uh, First sweating, and second one is oiling. So here you don't feel sweat, but here you feel sweating.
but while sleeping you don't take breath, because when you will take breath, so your oil will go inside you.
So I ask to ChatGPT, don't ask to me.
See the time.
Okay.
We have completed, I think, 12 minutes video.
So guys, keep cold.
Okay, guys.
Sometimes he is so much louder. He don't know how when and how to speak. When no one will be there, so he will speak. He will speak so slowly. When someone will come, he will speak so loudly. I don't know what is happening with him. So guys, bye bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. I love you so much.
Bye, guys.
Mm.
Okay.